Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neel and today I have Manas with me and he's going to be doing an unboxing for the OnePlus 60 which he received from OnePlus. So I'm going to hand over the control to Manas today and he's going to be doing the unboxing and give you a hands-on review of the OnePlus 60.
Hey guys, this is Manas, also known as Freaky Foodie, and I've recently received this OnePlus 60, the latest mobile from the OnePlus company, which was launched just a couple of weeks ago. So let's go ahead and unbox this, shall we? Okay, as you can see, it has a very encouraging note on the box itself. They've mentioned that the OnePlus community is defined as a noun, a collection of individuals which are possessed of a tremendous understanding of technology. That includes you as well. So right off the bat, something extremely positive for everyone. Coming to the box itself, it's a plain box, white, with the signature trademark logo of OnePlus and the 60 right on the sides. The specifications are on the back, and of course the cache line of the 60, the unlock the speed. So let's go ahead and unbox the speed. Oh, this looks good. So I've received the 6GB 128GB model. Let's just remove all of this. This looks gorgeous. It's a mirror black finish that's available in the 128 gigs, and if you can see the shade of the light, there's an S curve. Looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Alright, so moving inside the box, we have the tray, which I'll look into it later. Ooh my, an invitation letter. I wonder what this is. Okay, so you have the invitation letter, which is a word from Pete, the CEO of OnePlus. And if you open it, nice. Some text, which I think I'm gonna read a little later, but it kind of welcomes you to the OnePlus community. Talks about the features of the OnePlus 60. So yeah, I'm excited. Never settle. Alright, in the box we have the standard charger, the dash charger, which is their patented technology, and you've got their signature red and white charging cable. As you can see, it's a Type C. Let me take that off. Yes, a Type C charging cable, and a very small headphone jack to a Type-C cable adapter, because as you can see, or as you may have seen earlier, there is no headphone jack on the OnePlus 60. Alright, so let's boot it up. It's a dual SIM phone with 6GB of RAM and 128GB memory capacity. It's powered by the Snapdragon 645, the latest. And the cameras on the back are a 20MP and a 16MP dual clicker. And the front is extremely small water drop, if you can see out here, and that's a 16MP camera on the front as well. And look at this, extremely vibrant screen. And the best part of the new phone, apart from the water drop notch as well, is the in-display fingerprint scanner. So let's just go ahead and unlock this. Alright, look at this. How gorgeous is the screen. Extremely fluidic. You have some of the apps already pre-installed. You have a lot of information available at your fingertips. Everything pulls up, pulls down from the middle of the screen itself. Alright, so let's go and set up the fingerprint. If I say add fingerprint, it shows the prompt. You click next and you start with the fingerprints. I'll do it this. If you can see on the screen, it's starting to detect the fingers. Yeah. And I love the animation that happens on screen when it's getting detected. Alright, so inside this box, you can see, nice. Let me just pull it out. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Alright, great. So you have the documentation from OnePlus. I'm sure it's got all the guarantee and warranty, user manuals. Yes, the user manuals out here. And you have the SIM ejector as well, along with the other documents. I'm sure that's something you're not very keen on seeing, are you? the safety information, you've got the stickers for never settle, and the user guide for the OnePlus 6T in the bright, vibrant red. You also have a first party clear translucent case from OnePlus, which is expectedly a perfect fit for the phone, if you can see. Let me try putting it in it. Perfect. And if you can see clearly, the edges, all the four edges are slightly raised, which ensures that if you keep the phone down, the screen doesn't scratch the surface. Now that's some thoughtful things that the OnePlus has given. Alright, so now we have added the fingerprint. Now let's try and open the phone with the fingerprint. I think it looks gorgeous. If you look at the animations, oh my god, that was fast. Let's do it again. That was fast. Alright guys, so this has been my quick unboxing of the phone. I'm going to use it for a couple of weeks before I can do a little more detailed vlog about it. Let us know in the comments if you have purchased this phone. If you have, what do you think about it? Your thoughts? Are you planning to purchase one? If not, why not? Is it not a worthy upgrade from your existing phone? Let us know in the comment section below. Cheers. Hey guys, अब तेरा स्टार्टिंग का
मिडिल फिंगर से क्यों कर रहा है?
अरे क्योंकि मेरे दूसरे दोनों फिंगर्स लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड के इसमें डिटेक्टेड है ऑलरेडी.